Hey guys, Pratik here from MakeForms. Welcome to the episode 7 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. In the last episode, we saw about the drop-down field. This episode, I am going to show you one of the amazing power feature of MakeForms, which is linked drop-down menus using your own data. So many a times you want to create a drop down menus wherein you select drop down 1 based on the values that you have on your drop down 1. The values of the drop down 2 get updated, then you select drop down 2, then the drop down 3 gets updated. Believe me, no form builder tool exists today that can do this for you, and even if you can, then it's very complicated. We know a couple of form builder tools that do that, but it's not the best way to do it. So we thought that if we are, kind of building the most powerful form builder tool, we should solve this issue. So I'm quickly going to go and create a new form and show you how you can create a multi-level dropdown using MakeForms. So what you will do is you will scroll down to the bottom over here. You will see the dropdown field. You will click and you will add this. Now, there is an option called multi-level dropdown. So you will just enable this, and when you do that, you will see an option here that says edit values. So you will click that, and now you will be presented with the options like 1, 2, and then you can keep on adding more options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a car model brand model variant, like a 3-level drop down. So our first drop down will be the car make. I will write Mercedes, BMW. We'll use only 2 for now. Then our second drop down will be the car model. Our third drop down will be variant. Okay, so now I will go here on the Mercedes. And the best thing is that you have to just write all your options one below the other. So I'll do S class, E class, M class, and then you just have to hit save. The moment you do that, it will create all the values for you. Now we will go in, and for the BMW series, we'll do 1 series, 2 series, 3 series, 5 series, X1, X3, X5, X7, XM, and I will save this. Now you can literally go 1 level down, and you can actually go in, for the S class we do S350, S500, S Maybach, and I'll save this. Similarly, you can, I'm quickly going to there's no M class, right? So I'll just change this to C class. C200, C250 for example. And in the G class we can do G3 later. We can do GL. Now for the BMW, go 1 says 1.1. Now I don't know much about BMWs. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Similarly, we will do 3.1, 3. I know that for the 3.3. Save this 5 value, and then there's a 5M variant, and then there is 520. Let's say classic, luxury, just random names. X3, let's do X3 350, X3 250. Again, classic, luxury. So now if you can keep on adding as many drop downs as you want. The another and let's say you don't want to add this manually and you want to bring it from a database. So what you can do is you can just set up this entire thing. Then you can just go into the text mode, and this you will get the JSON value of the entire, you will get the entire JSON structure. So now you can give this structure to your database guy and ask him to pull in all your values from the database and give you as a JSON output, and then you can just put that, just copy paste those values here. So this is how easy it is. So if you're not a developer, no problem, you can manually enter it. But if you have an in-house developer and you want to pull in data from your database, use the text option. So you can see that while building this platform, we have not just taken care of the normal users, but we have also taken care of the power users like developers who can actually build this, who can use this actually. So now we'll just quickly publish this form and we'll see this in action. Okay, so let's go here and let's try to play with it. I'll just select BMW. Oh wow, all the BMWs have loaded here. You click this, change this, 1, 2, yeah, 1 series, 1.1, 1.2. Let's go to Mercedes, E-Class, E350. Let's go to G-Class. You have got the G-Class variants. S-Class, you got the S-Class variants. So you see how amazing is this. Till date, you were not able to do this with any other form tool, but with MakeForms, you can do it very easily and very visually. So stay tuned guys, and hope you are loving this series. Please let us know in the comment below what kind of forms will you like us to build, and I'll try to build all those kind of forms that you want to. That's it. It has been a wonderful week altogether. I have successfully created 7 videos. I would like to thank some of my users, especially Danny, who has motivated me to create this Form Guru series. So that's it, and I hope I can continue this streak and do 1 video per day and be your form guru and help you become experts at form creation. That's it. Bye bye. Thank you.